Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making chicken Alfredo and some broccoli and cheese. But first, before we get started, welcome to my channel. My channel consists of mommy and lifestyle, cleaning, cooking, motivational videos. So if you like that, please subscribe and let's get started. So it is a rainy fall day today. So I am going to be making chicken Alfredo, like I said before, even though it's not like fall attire, you could say. We just really wanted some chicken Alfredo today. So I'm going to be using the Telemark sauce. I've never used this before, so we'll see how this goes. And along with the Prego one, because we like our pasta and stuff like that very saucy. And then we're going to use fettuccine noodles and just the regular chicken breast with no bone in it. And then this is just the microwave broccoli and cheese. It's really good. Alright guys, before I get started, I'm going to fill this pot up here with some water and get it boiling for the fettuccine noodles. So here's the pot of water. I'm just gonna turn it on to medium high to get it boiling, and I'm going to put the lid on top of it because it will help, and along with some butter. Just kidding guys about the lid, it's in the dishwasher, so we're gonna have to go without it this time. But next time when I do this, I would always put the lid on top of it to give it a faster boil. So the butter is in there. I can't use the lid, but I'm thinking about turning it up a little bit higher just to get it to go faster. And I'll always turn it down to medium when the noodles are in, just so they won't overcook. So here I'm taking the meat out of the package first this time, and I'm gonna rinse it off before we start cooking. And I'm not gonna cut it until afterwards. It's easier to cook that way. So I decided to put it on 7 to cook the chicken. I will move it up and down as needed, but the chicken is in the pan getting ready to fry, and let's get to it. So now that the water is boiling and steaming, I'm going to put the noodles in there. So I'm taking my fettuccine noodles and putting them in the boiling water with the butter, and I'm going to turn it down to medium. So the chicken is cooking still and the noodles are in the bowl. We're just gonna let those cook for a few more minutes until they're done, and then we'll do the next step. So now we are about to make the cheese in the box. So I'll show you how we do that. So how much milk did you put in there?
1 cup.
So you put 1 cup of milk in there. But you can just follow the directions on the box.
Combine cheese, seasoning, blend, and milk into sauce.
So the noodles are still cooking up. We want them nice and soft, and we're working on the cheese now. So we have everything in here all mixed together, so we just have to stir it and let it cook. Oh, I got Bay in here helping me cook. Cooking up the cheese. And the noodles should be done by now. And the broccoli is in the microwave. Time to drain the noodles. Now the noodles are drained. We're gonna put them back in the pot and add it all together. So we are mixing it together. This was just with the pan sauce, but we're gonna add some more sauce to it. You don't have to, but again, we like ours saucy. So the broccoli is done. It's nice and hot, and so is the Alfredo. But I'm gonna open this up and put it in a little bowl so we can serve it. Now I'm going to plate all the food for you guys. Taking the broccoli and cheese first, and just gonna put it on the side here. And then I'm gonna grab the chicken Alfredo right here so you can see it. Oh, if I can do it. Don't do what I did, guys. You're gonna make a mess. The counter is clean, guys. Don't worry. Well, there you have it. Our dinner for tonight. Chicken Alfredo and broccoli and cheese. Yum! So guys, I hope you enjoyed my video today. Just a rainy fall cooked with me for you guys with our chicken Alfredo. It is very good. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! 5 to 6 minutes in the microwave.
Who are you looking at?
You.
Let's redo that. Redo it.
What was I doing wrong?
It sucks. It's so wobbly.
Stop it!
How do you tighten it up?
Stop videoing!
You can't even stop it.
5 to 6 minutes in the fridge.